Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today I'm gonna be talking about something little sneaker upkeep. So I have a lot of older sneakers in my collection. I'm talking like 10 years, 13 year, 14-year-old sneakers. And one way that you have to keep these sneakers up, keeping them fresh, um, you have to clean them when you wear them. I mean, it's as simple as that. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I keep my sneakers fresh. These are the Air Jordan 13 Playoff. Um, this is the 2010 release. Let's see. All right, so there's the date, November 25th, 2010. So these sneakers are at least 10 years old. They're in pretty good condition. I probably wore them recently, so I'm just gonna show you guys real quick how I keep my sneakers clean and looking this fresh to be 10 years old. All right, so what you just need a couple of things. I have a cup with some warm water here. I have a brush, just a Jason Mark shoe brush, soft bristles on here, and I have a little bit of Jason Mark cleaning solution. Um, this is just what I grabbed real quick. There are a lot of other really good cleaning solutions, but the Jason Mark is what I'll be using today. So what you want to do first, you want to get your brush wet. So you just want to wet your brush. Um, and then you want to put some of the cleaning solution on this brush that's wet. You also want like a little towel or rag or something like that. You're gonna need that. Um, so you wet your brush, you put some cleaning solution on there, and then you brush, working up a lather. So you just brush away at it. You see it'll start to sud up, mainly around the bottom. It's a little dirty, so you just brush it, work up the lather. The leather parts. I'm not really gonna go over the suede parts. Leather and definitely these white parts on the bottom. So once you brush them off, this is one of those cleaning solutions you don't really have to do too much to um, clean the brush off. Basically, from this point, you just wipe the solution off. With your rag. See, it's a couple spots. Look for the spots that you need to hit again, right near the back, right here. You can't really see. It looks clean, the camera, but Put the back right there. Oh yeah, there you go. There we go. And I'm gonna hit this hologram bubble right here. It's a little cloudy. And once again, you want to wipe it. Man, it's crazy that these still look this good to be 10 years old, but so you see I keep them up pretty well. You can see the age in these. Definitely around the sole. The glue is showing. So yeah, you definitely need to wear these when they start getting a little older. But they look really good to be 10 years old. Nice. There you have it. A quick way to keep your older sneakers looking fresh. Clean them after every wear. Another tip to keep your sneakers fresh, wear them. Like, don't just sit on sneakers and just keep them in your closet or in wherever you keep your sneakers. Take them out, wear your sneakers. I wear these probably every other month. You know, just take them out, wear them to the stores, just walk around in them. That way you keep the glue in the sole and stuff fresher, they say. It's a less likely chance that your sole will crumble up and fall off. So you don't want that. I've had that happen to quite a few sneakers of mine, so I don't want that to happen to any of these. But yeah, 10-year-old sneaker still looks really clean. That's how I do it. It's your boy Don B. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. Until the next time, peace.